Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at KRYL. So I did cover this a while back, but now I'm just trying to see what is happening with the project. And so in this video I will try to break it down, what is happening with the project and whether we have any hope of going up or not. So I do not own KRYL KRL token, so I'm just sharing my perspective on this. Anyways, if we just get started with we have a volume. The volume is not that high, so that is not good for this token. I will just say it at the start. Besides that, the market cap still remains a quite a good 13 million, which is relatively low. And if so, that means that this coin can pump really fast if we see a volume in it. But as of now, there is no volume, so there is nothing to say. So beside that, the big updates that KRL coin was supposed to have were the AI features. So the last time I covered this coin, everything was mostly coming soon, but now they have launched Smart Folio, which is their smart portfolio, something like that, which is built with an AI or something like that. And they also have News Hub. So these are the two things that they have developed so far. And beside that, we have X-ray coming soon, which is going to be in-depth analysis, which is also going to be based on AI. So they also have their AI agent as well, as you can see here, and they will also have gem detector. It is unclear why they haven't launched these, but still it's taking a lot of time, so which may be the reason why the price of KRL token is not doing that well. They will also have Harpoon, which is supposed to be advanced detection, strategic tracking or something like that, and it will come soon. So beside that, they have rewards and rewards, which was already up, as you can see here. So you can actually earn rewards doing these various things, but beside that, they don't have anything else going on. And to be honest, I think it's taking way too much. So from this, it seems like that they don't have that many developers, and that could be a reason it's taking so long. But still, they did deliver this Smart Folio and News Hub, so that's something I think pretty positive for this coin. But again, I don't think that this News Hub is a big thing. And again, the Smart Folio, there are tons of portfolios in the market, so I don't think that this is anything groundbreaking as well. So looking at their Twitter, recently they had this Galaxy reward campaign, as you can see here, which has a views of around 7.1k, which is not a lot. And if you look at their current just their current tweets, they don't have that many views. We have around 3.71 for this one. And if you look at the likes and retweets, reposts, it's just not that much engagement going on from the community. Besides that, they also had this campaign going on as well. And if you look at the rest of the views, it's going down the hill, as you can see here, only around 700 and even lower. So everything is going down. So overall, I think the project itself is actually struggling a lot, at least from the community perspective. There is the engagement from the community is just not there. But that doesn't mean that this coin will not pump, because if you look at in the past, I will just try to analyze this coin now. So the coin launched way back in 2018, as you can see here, and if we just look at its market cap, so we will get the idea. So the market cap has mostly remained below 1 million, as you can see here. It was right after 2021 the coin started to see much more engagement, as you can see, and at the peak it ended up having over 150 million market cap, which is a lot. But right after that, the token has gone as high as 50 million, and after that it has gone as high as 25 million, and after that it has been struggling ever since. And recently the peak in this market, it was around 16 million. And if you look at rest of the market, it has not pumped that much. So it only went as high as 16 million, so which is not a lot. And if you look at its price action itself, the price only went as high as it is 80 cents, so it's not that high. So again, the coin can pump because the market cap is much lower. And they also did something very interesting. So they just I think I'll just try to scroll down. They closed their weekly update, which was supposed to happens on X, and now they are doubling down on their products, but it's taking way too long. So I think if they manage to launch any of the remaining product, the token will most likely pump. So they just said that they launch Harpoon or X-Ray or even Gem Detector. I think the token will most likely pump. And as for the price, since it has a very low market cap, as you can see here, there is always a response in the market. So if we see a big news and big launch from them, it seems to be, at least in the short term, in the down uptrend, as you can see here. So if we see any kind of product from the KRYL team, the token could actually go as high as 48 cent. And if the hype continues to go up, if the hype continues, I think we can actually go as high as 75. But you have to understand that team is taking a bit too much long. So if they do not launch anything and the market goes down, I think the token will most likely go down. And the first target that I am looking at is somewhere around here, around 31 cent. And if that does not hold, we are most likely going down as low as 25 cent. And even if that doesn't hold, we can actually go as low as 19 cent, which is its low, I think, at least its yearly low. So overall, I think the token does have potential because it has shown that potential in the past, and the market cap is much lower, but I think it needs more volume. And if you try to buy this coin as of now, the spread fee is just ridiculous, as you can see here, over 1.47 on CoinEx. And even if you look at the get IO, the spread is just very high, 0.27, which is a lot. I think it has to do with the volume overall. And if you look at the volume, there is just much more lower volume. So if we see a flow of volume in the if we see more liquidity in the market, this coin can pump. But as of now, it doesn't seem like that there is any hope. But I think if they launch any campaign or anything like that again, the token can actually pump. As you can see here, in just one day it went from 35 cent to as high as 48 cents. So that is a possibility. And you have to also know that it is very much easier to move this coin because of its low market cap and because of the low volume. So even if we just see a bit more volume, the token will most likely pump. So that is something that you should know. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the update. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.